Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off and hold power for 10 seconds to clear transient faults, then wait another 10 seconds before restarting. Next, disconnect all USB devices and external hardware so drivers can't interfere. This isolates the problem. If you have a Windows Install USB or recovery drive ready, plug it in. It lets you access repair tools. These first actions rule out simple issues and prepare the system for safe mode or automated repairs, which we'll run next. Once done, boot into advanced options using your install media or by holding Shift while selecting Restart. This forces the recovery environment. Then choose Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and enable Safe Mode so Windows loads minimal drivers. That helps determine whether a driver caused the gray screen. Open an elevated command prompt and run dism to repair the image, followed by sfc/scano to fix system files. These tools restore corrupted components and often recover normal visuals. Now finish up. If safe mode gives a normal display, uninstall the latest display driver or recent Windows updates because one of them likely caused the fault. If that doesn't help, use a system restore point or choose reset while keeping your files to refresh Windows. Make sure to update the display driver from the manufacturer website after reboot. If you still see a gray screen, key troubleshooting. Reset BIOS/UEFI to defaults. Reset the GPU or test another monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.